Alright, hello. So I just recently bought the cycle stop valve, everything you need with the tank and everything. And one of the big selling points on this thing is that it says it drops the amp draw when it's using less water, but it doesn't. I'm going to show you a video with the amp meter on there. And it also, I don't know, I've had it on for a week and I'm taking it off and basically going to throw it in the trash because it's garbage. But basically, so I'm going to run it up and then we'll see it kick on and its amp draw, and then I'll slow the water down to barely a trickle where it's cycling on and off, and you'll see what happens. Max, can you hold that? Max, hold that for me. So kick on. Takes a second to catch up. So we're running full wattage, so we're full bore basically. It's keeping at 45 like I said it was gonna. But we're running full bore on the hose, and we're at 1250 watts. And I'm gonna slow it down to a trickle where it's cycling on and off. And we're still drawing 1250 watts. Still maintain at 45. And I'll slow down some more. It'll still be at 1250 watts. Still running 1250 watts. It's cycling on and off now. But never doesn't draw full wattage like it claims. And then I'm going to show you how it cycles on and off when it's still drawing more than a gallon a minute. Alright, so it kicked on. It's maintaining the 45 right now, but it's going to kick off. So it kicked off. And we're at 228 right now. This is a gallon jug. And this is going to fill it well before 328. And it's cycling on and off. Right there is about 30 seconds, and basically we're full, so I'll give it 40 seconds. It took to pump a gallon, and it's cycling on and off right now. So I'll leave it and let it cycle again. Right now it took about 40 seconds to pump a gallon, and it said as long as it maintains so it cycled off again, and like I showed you, took about 40 seconds to pump a gallon. Basically this thing's junk. I'm taking it off, throwing it in the trash. Don't waste your money on this. It doesn't drop the wattage, doesn't do any of the stuff that he claims it does. If you want mine you can have it, but it's trash. Let me know if you have any questions.